Welcome to How to Solve.
What's up guys? In this video, we will be trying the Google Calendar to schedule meetings. So first thing to do is to click this Google Apps here on your Google account and browse down and you can see their calendar. Tap on it and it will take you to your calendar. So, if you're going to schedule a meeting, you can just simply click create or just go directly to the dates of the month. For example, we will be going to have a meeting on April 29 and that would be, let's say for example, it's 7 p.m. So let's go to 29 and find 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, that's it. And you can add a title, just say interview. And then it would be an event, it can be a task, it can be a reminder or an appointment schedule. Now, so if you are going to change the time, you can do it here. And also, you can add Google Meet video conferencing. You just need to tap on it and click on save. And after that one, it is already here. So let's click on it. And if you want to send this meeting schedule to your participants, you just click to email events and then let's just say add the email, for example, this one. Okay, and then you type your message there and then just click on send and it will appear to the one that you have emailed. Okay, let's try my email and then here and then click on send. So let's go to my email and there you go.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.